I'm going to piss some people off, but your salon doesn't have a booking problem. It has a follow-up problem. You think people aren't rebooking because of price or timing, but truthfully, it's because you're not nurturing them between appointments. Before we get into this, like this video, subscribe, and download the free automation guide in the description, so AI can take care of your follow-ups, messages, and reminders, while you focus on making money and serving clients. Let's talk about the real reason your books aren't full, and the exact email sequences top salons use to stay fully booked weeks in advance. You know that anxious feeling when you're watching the calendar, and there are empty spots coming up next week? Or when clients say they'll book online later and then disappear for months? That's what keeps most beauty pros up at night. But what if your business could remind, re-engage, and resell, without you having to manually message a single person? There are 3 main email sequences your beauty salon needs if you want consistent rebookings. The first one is your welcome and nurture sequence. This is what builds trust and connection. It's what turns a one-time client into someone who feels emotionally invested in your brand. Most salon owners send one thank you email after a booking and stop there. That's a mistake. You need a 5 to 7 day welcome series that educates, entertains, and builds authority. Share what makes your salon different, what results clients can expect, and how they can prepare for their next appointment. End each email with an easy rebook button. The second sequence is your post-appointment follow-up. This one's simple but powerful. It starts 24 hours after the appointment with a thank you and a feedback question like, "How's your skin feeling?" or "How's your wax holding up?" Then 2 to 3 days later, send education content that helps them get better results from what they just paid for. Around day 7, send a rebooking reminder and incentive like, "Book within the next 10 days and get a free add-on." People are most likely to rebook when they still remember how good they feel. The third sequence is the reactivation sequence. This one is gold because it brings back clients who ghosted. It starts around 30 days after no booking activity. The tone should be friendly and casual, not salesy. You can start with something like, "Hey, we haven't seen you in a while and your next glow-up is overdue." Follow with education about why regular visits matter, then include a small incentive. The second email can be a testimonial or before and after photo to build trust again. The last one should be urgency-based with limited time offers. These sequences can all be automated with AI, so they send automatically and run in the background. That's how smart salons stay booked even when the owner's on vacation. Remember to like this video, subscribe, and download the free automation guide in the description to set up these sequences fast. Now here's where most beauty business owners get it wrong. They send one email every few months and think it's enough. It's not. The key is consistent conversation. Think of your email list like your salon lobby. You don't ignore people when they walk in. You greet them, talk to them, and build a relationship. That's exactly what your email should do. When you master these 3 sequences, your business starts to feel predictable. You stop stressing about slow weeks. You stop chasing clients. Instead, you build a rhythm where clients book themselves because they trust you and remember you. If you want the templates to copy and paste every single one of these emails without writing a word, go grab the free automation guide linked below. It'll show you exactly how to set this up so your emails run on autopilot while you focus on serving clients and growing your income. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.